Hi, I'm Chelsea Smith and I'm a lifestyle and fashion influencer, and I'm getting Xeomin done today on my forehead. I've done Botox before in the past, and especially the last time that I got it done a few months ago, I noticed that it didn't last as long. And something that I've heard just from talking to friends and healthcare providers is that you could potentially build up a tolerance to it.
Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Steve and I Wave Plastic Surgery. The issues that she had was she's been using Botox in the past, but she's had questions about longevity. So we kind of explored some other options. There's only 4 neuromodulators on the market right now, which is Botox, Dysport, Juvo, and Xeomin. And we decided together that we were going to go down the Xeomin route. Angry face? That's what it is. So those are the 11s that we want to knock out.
I definitely want to take care of that.
Raise your eyebrows. So your movement seems to be pretty focal, just like this area right here.
Yeah, I don't have a lot mid forehead.
If any.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll still put a little bit, pepper it, but I think most of it will go into that area. And then also what we're gonna do is like the brow lift technique, and we're only gonna do it to your right side. This being my first time treating her, you know, I didn't want to obviously go too much where I'd have like adverse reactions, but she told me a little bit about her history at past practices, and we decided to treat her glabella region right here, her forehead, and just one brow. Try to do a little bit of a brow lifting technique because she was mentioning that one of her concerns was that her right side drooped a little bit.
Which I feel like is where it's lower, right?
The lowest.
Like I feel like if you were to measure this side and this end, it's probably pretty, I don't know, I guess it's just how my muscles are. Is there any way to like do anything here? No.
No, because so basically you have 2 major frontalis muscles that go like this and this. So when you relax this area, this muscle wants to like
drop.
No, compensate actually for the brow lift technique. And it kind of has a little bit of a tension that kind of raises the eyebrow. So when I treated her, all we had to do was just ice her. She didn't request any numbing, and she did really well. She said that it wasn't painful. She only experienced a little bit of redness and bumps, but that goes away in about like 20 minutes. That's just because the medication is just kind of settling in her skin. But other than that, full effect should be fully kicked in 2 weeks, so we'll definitely follow her up around that time. But other than that, we'll see how her results go. All right, see you guys soon.